Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok could not connect. So guys, when you have login your TikTok app in your iPhone or in your iPad and facing this type of issue that could not connect and unable to log in your TikTok account as you can see here. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back. So guys, the first step of the solution is you have to connect any internet connection. If you have already connected, you have to click on your Wi-Fi name and click on forget this network, and after this you need to reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device and scroll below, click on general, and after this you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to go back, and guys, maybe there is network problem on your device, so you need to reset your network settings to fix this problem. And after this you need to select your region according to your country from here. And guys, after this you need to check your date and time. Make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically, and after doing these settings you have to go back. So guys, now at last you have to open your app store here, and here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after this you need to open your TikTok app and check that if your app is not updated, you need to update your app first, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, now I am going to check that my problem has been fixed or not. As you can see here, when I am going to log in my TikTok with my Apple ID, as you can see here. So guys, check that our problem has been fixed or not. So guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see here, now my problem has been fixed successfully, and my account has been logged in. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.